Howdy, y'all. Just Jay here with MoTc, my son, aka Brandon. I'm gonna try this. I don't need it because you can twist the top off, but I got me a new bottle opener, y'all. It doesn't work very good. It's from Kaboom Hot Sauce. It's from a hot sauce I'm gonna be trying. But this is Ale8one Blackberry. People who don't know, this Ale8one is from Winchester, Kentucky, which I live in Indiana, so Kentucky's not that far. And it's a third generation owned family business. So I'm going to try this. Did you taste it?
Not yet. It's okay.
Pretty yummy. I like blackberries. It's not a really strong flavor. Pretty sweet. I give that 2 thumbs up. I'll go back and get more. It comes in a nice, pretty bottle. But yeah, if you like small town drinks, they brought. It said that in 1926 they introduced Ale8one, a ginger citrus soft drink, at the Clark County Fair. And I mean, if Clark County is in Kentucky, if not, I grew up in Clark County, Indiana. But pretty good drink. I got it at Walmart. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.